Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating high-converting video ads today is honestly one of the biggest challenges. You either need to hire UGC creators, which can cost a lot of money, or spend hours recording, editing, and testing different videos yourself. And even after doing all that, there's still no guarantee your ad will perform well. Plus, platforms like TikTok and Instagram constantly demand fresh creatives, which makes the whole process even more stressful. That's where Creatify completely changes the game. Creatify is an AI-powered tool that allows you to create professional, high-converting video ads in just a few minutes. Instead of shooting videos or editing manually, you can simply provide a product link, some images, or even just an idea, and Creatify will turn it into a ready-to-use video. It uses AI to generate scripts, add realistic voiceovers, and create engaging visuals automatically. So, in this video, I'm not going to just explain things, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Creatify step by step, so that you can follow along and start creating your own videos without any confusion. I'll show you how to create different types of videos using Creatify, starting with UGC-style ads that look like real people are promoting your product. These are perfect for TikTok and Instagram and often perform really well because they feel natural and authentic. Then, I'll also show you how to create talking avatar videos, where AI-generated characters present your product or message. This is great if you don't want to show your face or hire someone else. I'll also explore product showcase videos, where you can highlight your product features with clean visuals, text, and smooth transitions. It's perfect for ads and brand promotions. And on top of that, I'll also show how you can experiment with different styles, scripts, and variations, so you can test multiple creatives quickly and find what works best for your audience. The best part is, you don't need any editing skills, expensive equipment, or a team. Everything is handled inside Creatify, from script writing to final video export. So if you want to learn everything, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to walk you through the complete process step by step. Now, let's first take a quick look at Creatify's pricing so you can understand what you're getting and which plan might be right for you. So, if you want to try Creatify for yourself, you can find the official website link in the description below. You can check it out and follow along with me as I go through everything step by step. So first, Creatify gives you a free plan to begin with. In the free version, you get 10 credits per month, which means you can create a few ads and test how the platform works. It includes features like AI video ads, avatar videos, image ads, and even AI script generation. The only downside is that your exported videos will have a watermark. But still, it's a good way to explore the tool without any investment. Then coming to the starter plan, which is designed for creators and solopreneurs. This plan costs $39 per month and gives you 100 credits. Here, you unlock all the main creation tools, along with access to 300 realistic AI actors, premium AI models, and around 200 plus AI ad templates. You can create videos up to 2 minutes long, use multiple aspect ratios like vertical and horizontal, and most importantly, remove the watermark. It also supports over 75 languages, which is great if you're targeting different audiences. Then they have the Pro plan, which is actually the most popular one and is built for marketers, business owners. This plan starts at $99 per month and gives you 200 credits, with options to scale even higher depending on your needs. Here, you get access to everything, including 1,500 AI actors, 30 plus premium AI models, and over 200 ad templates. You can create longer videos, up to 10 minutes, and even get advanced features like custom avatars, ad cloning, competitor ad tracking, ad launching directly to platforms like Meta and TikTok, and detailed analytics. Now, another important thing to note is the yearly pricing. If you go with annual billing, the cost drops significantly. The starter plan comes down to around $33 per month, and the Pro plan to around $49 per month, while keeping all the same features. So if you're planning to use it long term, then this can save you a lot of money. Alright? So now that you've seen the pricing and know what each plan offers, let's move to the main part of this video, the tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Creatify step by step so you can create your own videos without any confusion. So first you need to sign up using the link in the description and log in the dashboard. From here, you will get many options to create different types of video ads. So first, let's see how we can create a complete video ad using just a simple product link, okay? For that, you have to click on the very first option, which is video ad. Now here, it is asking you to enter your product link. Right now I don't have any product, so for that I will simply copy any product link from Amazon and paste it here, and then click on Analyze URL. Now Creatify is taking some time and analyzing your product. So as you can see now, it has automatically generated your product name, descriptions, and some sample images. Now again, click on Next. Now it is asking you to do some settings, like in which format you want your video, 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1, and for how much duration you want it. So from here you can select all of that, then after that you have to click on Next again. Now Creatify is generating scripts for your video. So as you can see, it has created many types of scripts for our video ad and has given us options to choose one of them. So you can select from here, or you can also upload your own script. So just to show you, I will select the first one from here and move forward. Now we have to do the main work, which is selecting an avatar for our video, which will represent your product in the video ad. So from here you can select avatars according to your product. So I will select this one and then click on Next. Now it is creating the full video for us. So as you can see, Creatify has generated many video variations for us. This is the thing I like the most, that it doesn't just create one video, it gives multiple options to choose from. So from here you will get many videos to test in your ads. You won't need to generate videos again and again. So whichever video you like, you just have to render it. So after rendering, this is our video output.
Your face wash is stripping your skin dry and you don't even know it. That tight, uncomfortable feeling after cleansing? That's damage. I switched to Neutrogena Hydro Boost face wash and everything changed. It's got hyaluronic acid built right in, so it actually locks moisture in while it cleans. No stripping, no irritation. It's fragrance-free, soap-free, oil-free, and dermatologist recommended for sensitive skin. My face feels soft and hydrated every single time. Ditch the cleanser that's working against you. Try Hydro Boost today.
So you saw how good a video this AI tool has created. Right now there is a watermark, so to remove the watermark you will have to take its premium plan. Now let's move on to another feature, like how you can create AI avatar talking videos. For that, you have to click on Avatar Video. Now from here, you can select an avatar from their library, or you can also upload your own image. So just to show you, I will select one avatar from their library. Now here you have to upload what you want your avatar to say, and you can also upload your own audio file here. So for example, I will copy some description of this product and paste it here. Now you have to click on Generate Video. Now this tool is generating your video.
Hydrating face wash. Lightweight gel facial cleanser with hyaluronic acid boosts hydration and locks in moisture for soft, supple skin. Transforms into a silky lather that rinses clean without stripping.
So you saw how good a video it has created. But again, there is just a watermark, and it will be removed once you take the subscription, okay? Now again we have come back to the dashboard and explore more features. So now let's see what else we can create from here. Now we click on Asset Generator. From here, you can do a lot of things using just one prompt. Like you can generate text to video, text to image, and text to music. What's interesting is that Creatify integrates multiple advanced tools like Kling for video generation, Nano Banana for images, and 11 Labs for music and voice, so everything works seamlessly in one place. Now again let's go back to the dashboard. So far, we've seen how to create video ads. Video ads are the best for selling any product, but sometimes image ads also perform well. That's why we have to test everything. So you can also create image ads easily using this Creatify tool. For that, you have to click on Image Ad. Now again, like before, you have to enter your product link here. So I will paste the same product link. And then click on Analyze URL. Now it is generating your images. Now as you can see, it has again automatically added all the details. So if you want to make any changes here, you can do it from here, then click on Generate. After that, it will take some processing time and create image ad creatives. Now as you can see here, this tool has created 4 creatives for us, and the creatives are also very good, right? Now let's see another powerful feature of this tool, Ad Clone. With the help of this tool, you can see anyone's ads and easily clone them. Here the product is already added, so we will select it. And if the product is not added, you can click on New Product and add it from here. So as you can see, as soon as we selected that product, all the ads related to that product appeared. And you can also see on the side how long those ads have been running. This gives you a clear idea of what's working. From here, you can pick any ad and create a similar version for yourself. Now let me show you something even faster, creating ads using templates. So until now, we were creating videos from scratch, but with templates, you can generate ads in just few seconds. So as you can see, there are many formats available here. These formats are based on what is currently trending. So just to show you, I will click on this show product format. That means whatever video will be created here, it will show models holding your product in hand. So for example, I will select this video and click on recreate this ad. Now again you have to upload your product from here. And click on generate video. Now this tool will generate the video in just a few seconds. As you can see, the result looks really engaging and professional. Now lastly, if you only want a video of your product and don't want any avatar in it, you can also do that from here. For that, you just have to scroll down. And from the product visual effects section, select any one template. Then upload your product, and Creatify will generate a high-quality product video ad for you, without any human avatar. Okay? So overall, you can see how powerful Creatify is when it comes to creating different types of video ads and creatives. From UGC-style videos to talking avatars, product showcase ads, image creatives, and even cloning winning ads, everything can be done inside one single platform. And the best part is, you don't need any editing skills or a big team to get started. If you're someone who wants to save time, reduce cost, and create multiple ad creatives for testing, then this tool can be really helpful. Instead of spending hours on one video, you can generate multiple variations in just a few minutes, and focus more on what actually matters, like testing and scaling your ads. Now it's your turn to try it out and see what kind of results you can get. Now click the link in the description, and sign up with Creatify and start creating your video ads easily. Okay? So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more tools like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.